Welcome to Time Machine Scale Models. Today's just a short stash ad video and background how I came in possession of these. Well, I'd been working on this 62 Pontiac Catalina 421 SD and I found myself in a pickle. The front bumper doesn't fit right. A lot of people have had the same issue. And as I was trying to fit it up and get it to fit correctly, I broke it. Well, of course, I went looking for a new kit to replace the bumper, and a friend of mine said that he had the kit. He had the 62 Pontiac Catalina Custom. He told me to come on over and grab it. I can have it. So, of course, I took the hour-long drive to his place and got the kit. He was nice enough to give it to me. And it's a complete kit, so it was like, oh, it's going to be hard to take the bumper. So I made a decision to take the broken bumper off that one and replace it with this bumper. And later on I will go and dechrome that bumper from the original Pontiac, and I will fix it up and use it on the Custom. So anyway, let me show you what else I was able to bring back. So the first one I saw was the Street Burner 55 Street Machine. Who hasn't done this kit? This is one of my favorite kits. This and the Chevy Badman, you know, they top the list of kits that I like to build. I built this kit numerous times when I was a kid. It was probably one of the kits that kicked it off for me when I was younger. But I saw it, I had to add it to the stash. It's complete, sealed inside, never started. So of course now it belongs to me and it's going to be in my stash. Next up is something that I've been seeing people talk about on Facebook groups lately. The 76 Nova Street Custom by AMT. I've seen people talking about this one and I started looking for it. I looked on Model Roundup and I looked on eBay. And the prices were a little bit more than what I wanted to afford. So I was like, well, maybe some other time. But when I went over and I saw that he had one, I couldn't resist. So what ended up happening was all these models were basically put into a bundle, and we just made a deal from there for the whole bundle. Next up is something that I've been looking for a while. I wouldn't consider it a grail kit, but I would consider it one that's high on my list of ones to have. Now this one was, the engine halves were glued together and that was it. The rest of it was left alone. So it's a pretty virgin kit and I'll be able to build it whatever way I want to. These next three are completely sealed kits. 60 Forge Starliner. I love this kit. I love this kit very much. I had been looking for another one, and again I was on eBay. I missed a couple auctions on it. Been looking for it, and I finally got one. And he had one that was sealed, and I put it in the bundle, and I ended up bringing it home. Now about 6 years ago, I built this kit. And it was just one of my favorite kits. I just loved the build so much, I was like, I gotta have another one. This kit came in the box that had all the really nice artwork with it had the teal and the yellow Starliners on there. I no longer have the box, unfortunately, but yeah, that was a kit. So when I saw this one, I naturally had to have it. Again, another sealed kit. I love Impalas. Impalas are probably my favorite car of all time. I love fins, I love chrome, and that's probably why I like the 60 Starliner, because it fits in that era of cars with the fins and the chrome. But I love Impalas especially. I'm a Chevy guy, I love Impalas. I didn't have a 60 in my stash. I had to have a 60. When I saw he had this one and it was sealed, made a deal. Next one is another Impala, 59 this time. Revell 2-in-1, sealed. Like I said, I love Impalas. I love the fenders in chrome, or the fins in chrome, excuse me. They just do something for me. Those 59s, 60s, 61s, they all do something for me, and I really dig them. So that's it for the stash ads, and probably won't build any of these anytime soon, but they'll be there for when I'm ready to build them. So thanks for watching.